we have a MacBook 2936 motherboard MacBook Pro, which is giving us a bad sign on the battery. So looking at this here, you will see that D6950, which is a communication, a diode that communicates with the SMC, is bad. This is the one here. We removed it from the board, and looking at the ground port, the ground port is also affected. The ground port is also affected. So if looking at it here, this 6950 is faulty. So this diode, the main functionality of this diode is communication to the SMC, to tell the SMC that the battery is present. And if the battery is present, now the SMC will give a signal from the display that this battery that is present is having so percentage, percentage. If it needs charging, if it needs that, that's how it is. So now we are going to replace D6950. We are getting this D6950 from a donor board, which is here. So this is D6950. Now let's pull it out. The reason why we are not going to use workstation on our working board is because of the contact point of the speaker. Because workstation produces high heat. When you use high heat on the rubber, the contact point will be faulty and you do not have a good communication with the speaker. So let's use a soldering iron for that to make sure. I think I'm having another issue, but we're going to check on it first. We're going to check on it first. Okay, now let's fit it in with our light.
Yes, I will not send you the number.
The main reason why we are using LED is because of not controlling our tuning of the speaker. That's the main reason we are using LED. Because if anything that affects it is also going to affect the speaker. So we don't have any error on the speaker aspect. So let's okay. So we have fitted the board, but I'm not yet complete on this. Let's see our board view. Our board view, we have pin 2 to have a connection point at the first leg, which is this. This should be a pin 2 terminal. But the way I'm looking at it, it seems that it's also rusted. Let's use our pin. I can't get hold of the pin, so let me use my mouth. Okay. Let's confirm that pin 2 has a connection, and that's our point of contact. Sensor-meter to continuity. Continuity tells you that there is a connection present. See, there is no connection on pin 2. There is no connection on pin 2, so there is no signal that is being sent to SMC. So SMC is not receiving any signal. Even though you fix this chip also, there is no signal going to the SMC. Let's confirm the ground. The ground is present. Let's confirm pin 1. Pin 1 is connected to the battery terminal of pin 6. So let's go to pin 6, which is from here. You go to 1, 2, 3. This is pin 6. This is pin 6. There is no connection on it.
Yes, I can hear you.
Pin 1 is having connection. So where we are having issues now is on pin 2, which is not giving any connection on the contact point. So now how do we solve this problem? Using our board view, the contact point on pin 1 is going to the SMC, like I said. Look at it here. This is the SMC. So the connection point for SMC is from the back is at we can still loop it in. Can we? No, I don't think we can loop it in on pin 6. We can. We can. If not pin 1, we can still loop it in from the SMC SM box, SMC BSA. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do a light wiring here. But first of all, let's confirm if the connection is present. The connection is present. This is okay. There's no connection on it, so we need to create a connection for it. Okay. It shouldn't be that point. Shouldn't be that point. This is for pin 1. This is for pin 2. There is no connection on pin 2. Sending the board by this. Yeah. There's no connection on pin 1. Okay, we are having a connection. We are now looping in the contact point on pin 1, pin 2, which is the SMC bus. One thing about this SMC is it has a very good communication to the motherboard. If any MacBook, there are many things that are being connected to SMC. Everything on the motherboard is cited on that SMC. That is why you check on any engineer, they will tell you to check on your SMC. First of all, you do a PM reset on any SMC job. If there is any lack of communication on the motherboard, you check first on the SMC. If the SMC is not communicating, such issues also can cause the system malfunction. Okay, so you can see how we are doing it. Now we are going to place it down on the third capacitor. Yep. Yeah, on the third capacitor. Yeah, which is this. I'm sorry, I've not done my clearing notes. Okay. What's which year? Hard drive. You wanna have these two files. We have lost contact on this point. All these are the most delicate work. If there is no contact, there will be no communication. Okay. Still haven't gotten a connection point. Okay, I think we are done. Now let's cut out and confirm our still haven't contacted yet. Let's confirm the contact. Are we still having a connection? Number one on the 6950 is the diode. We check the diode is present. Number 2 point is the SM box for pin 2, having a contact point here is present. Let's confirm the contact point on this one also. There is communication here. These are contact points. There's communication. On the P1, which is this, the communication point is here. So we are good to go. Now, next battery and power the battery, power the system. The battery is down, so let's take in our charger to see if we are having charging. Okay, we have a green light. So now let's confirm from the battery if we are still having an X sign on the battery side. Remember what we are talking about here? There is no charging on the battery and we are having an X sign on the battery. Simply means the battery is not having any signal or receiving any communication from the SMC, or the battery is not giving any communication to the SMC to respond to charge. So we've done that. Now we can see we are having an orange light on the charger. What left now is on the battery, so we are waiting for the system to give us a shoot up. This is a 211 MacBook Pro. Yeah, 29, 36, 35, 29, 36. 211 MacBook Pro.